Hello, everybody. A very warm welcome to another session of e-content learning. Today, I'll be introducing you to a very thoughtful poem called as Measurements. This poem has been authored by a famous Assamese writer by name Navakanta Barua. The poem Measurements is a very metaphorical poem. The poem has a lot of food for thought for any reader as such. So, in this session, I will try to introduce you to this great poet from Assam who has been very remarkable in his studies, in his poetry, especially on modernism. And Measurements is one such poem which speaks of the modernity of the mankind. And this modernity is not leading us to anywhere. This modernity has, in fact, taken us back by many ages. Modernity has not served the real human purpose. This is the lament which this great poet Navakanta Barua has. Let me give you a brief introduction of this poet Navakanta Barua. What we come to know is he was a very eminent modern poet, also a great novelist, and a great lyricist also. He was popular writer of children's literature, and this really had enriched the Assamese poetry to a very large extent because his style was very unique and he was very conscious about the aestheticism and the bold expression. He has many awards to his credit. One such being the Sahitya Academy Award, which was conferred to him in 1975. And his novels also had been widely acclaimed by the Assam Publication Board, and he had received the Assam Valley Literary Award in 1993, and even the Soviet Land Nehru Award was conferred on him for his translation of the Russian author, namely Pushkin. Pushkin's The Wounded Swan was translated by Barua, and this was widely acclaimed. And as a scholar, he has traveled in the erstwhile USSR way back in 1962, and he participated in the Afro Asian Conference in USSR. And Barua also visited Poland, Yugoslavia, and he was very active on this cultural exchange program. He has lot of contribution towards Indian writing in English. And going further, regarding Barua, we also come to know that he was the first to introduce surrealism concept a very unique concept in the modern Assamese poetry. And his collection establishes him as an eminent poet and a great visionary. His poetic expressions are very lucid and very symbolic. His poems, one can find that they were a kind of revolt against the traditional poetic norms, and hence he could not, be regarded as one who was just, traversing the trodden path, but he was regarded as one who was breaking the norms and trying out something which was very unique and which was something very new, a novel concept. And we also find that in his poem, he could depict the gradual, destruction of modern society and the kind of torture which the human minds and soul generally face in the modern era. So, this gives a brief introduction about Navkanta Barua and the poem Measurements has been translated by Base Barua. He is one of the prominent translators who is very instrumental in translation works from Assamese to English. So, let me give you a brief introduction about uh, Dhirendranath Bes Barua, who is popularly known as D.N. Bes Barua. So, he is a multifaceted personality. We find him that he's a Indian journalist, a great writer, and he was also the founder editor of a Guwahati based English language daily, which was titled as The Sentinel. And being an Assamese person, it is very rare to find people from Assam who had taken a lot of enthusiasm and keen interest to pursue uh, studies in English language and literature. He is a very remarkable person. The first from his native to study in the Reading University in the UK. Now, what we find is the daily newspaper by name The Sentinel was established in 1983, and he was selected as the founder editor, and later he was also associated with the Media Trust Assam, and he was the working president for the celebrations committee also. So he has many publications and many translations to his credit. Now, what we find here, the prominent translation works from Assamese into English, they include the K1 and other stories. It's a short anthology written by Babendra Saikia. And one interesting thing about Bes Barua is he received a very prestigious award, namely B.D. Goenka Award for journalism way back in 1997. And also, there was one particular award called as the Nachiketa Samman of the Panchajanya Weekly. And to his credit, we also come to know that he was the recipient of the Katha Award for translation. And to cap the highest award, the Government of India awarded him the fourth highest civilian honor of Padma Shri way back in 2016 for his enormous contribution in literature. He was a great novelist, he was a great author, and he was a great translator. And his contributions to English literature and translations from Assamese into English literature has gone a long way to enrich the literary world. So, having a quick recap of the session, what we come to know is the prescribed poem here, Measurements. It is a metaphorical poem, and this poem is an extract. It has been taken, selected from a very interesting book called as The Dancing Earth. And Barua, Navakanta Barua, has many translations to his credit. He has translated very interesting works from authors such as Dante, Goethe, and Pushkin. Many of their works have been translated into English. With this, I conclude my introduction to two great personalities, Naukanta Barua and D.N. Base Barua. Thank you for your patient hearing. In the next session, I will introduce you to the poem called as The Measurements. Thank you all.